Hello, my name is Josh Clapadlo. I'm a technical trainer here at Manitowoc Ice. Today we're going to go over the steps to remove the bin from our new Neo unit. First thing we're going to do in this procedure is make sure the power is disconnected. I have the plug here in my hand, so I'm sure we're safe to work. The first thing we're going to do, if it's an air-cooled unit, is remove the air filter. The next thing we're going to do is remove these two screws and take off the front cover. Now that we have the front cover removed, we can disconnect the bin drain as well as the cable that runs up to our touchpad. On the new Neos, we have a connection outside of the electrical box. So there's no reason to take this cover off anymore to gain access to the plug. With the bin drain disconnected and the touchpad cable disconnected, we can now go ahead and remove the bottom screw from each side and loosen the top screw. There's no need to fully remove the top screw. You'll notice this little bracket will drop down out of the way. Then you can go ahead and slide the bin off. Now that you have the bin assembly off, you're able to gain access to all the refrigeration components, water components, and control board. When you're putting the bin back on the machine, it's important to note there is a track on both sides of the bin that does align with this angled piece here. You got to make sure you get that lined up before you push the bin all the way on. When you go to reinstall the bin, you can set it on, and you'll see there's a couple inches before the track needs to be lined up. They'll let you get the bin on, set level, and then just go ahead, push it into place. Once the bin is in place, reconnect your harness for your touchpad, your drain, and then you can push these up and reinstall your bottom screw and then your front cover. Once you have everything back together, you can go ahead and plug your unit back in, turn it on, make some ice. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Josh Clapadlo, technical trainer here at Manitowoc Ice.